everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Clarizz. Got another lovely, super easy and fast DIY for all of you today. But of course, if it is your first time here, I always want to invite you to subscribe to this channel because we do lots of great DIYs here every single week. I know that you're gonna love them, so make sure that you subscribe. Also hit that notification button so you can be one of the first ones to know when these videos are up. I've done a few monograms before for DIY wedding stuff, and this time around I'm using these lovely succulents that I'm so in love with. They look absolutely real, and I can't wait to show you what I've actually done with them. This is a super easy, fast DIY, and I hope that you all enjoy it, so let's get going to the video. To start off with our monogram letter, I used a foam board and also just one piece of cardstock paper just from the dollar store. So you want to take your foam board and outline whatever letter or whatever number or whatever you desire on it. I'm just doing this freehand and using another foam board as a ruler, but you can also print a big letter off of the computer and then also trace that onto your foam board. And then what you want to do is just cut that with a X-Acto knife. Now with the large cardstock paper, we're going to cut some strips of 2.5 inches each, and this is going to outline our nice monogram letter. I figured that for this particular project, it would have been better if I actually cut two foam boards, so two E's, and then stuck them on together so that it's a little bit more sturdy. But you'll see at the end what I'm talking about. So once you have all your strips, we're just going to take a glue gun and we're going to glue all those strips on the side of our monogram letter. And this is pretty easy. All you have to do is on the corners, you're just going to make some little creases just like this so that it looks nice and clean. Of course, our strips aren't going to be as long as this letter. So what you want to do is just take your next strip and then just take a little bit of glue and glue that onto the next one just like this. Alright, so now once you've done all of your borders, then you can go ahead and spray paint the outside. This is completely optional, but I thought that it would look good, and I just used this nice rose gold spray. It's a perfect color that I wanted. It's a beautiful light pink, and it looks amazing at the end. The next step is you're going to take some floral foam or even just some styrofoam that we can put our succulents on, and you're just going to glue this inside your letter. Now that we have our letter to house our plants in, we can go ahead and put our succulents. And I got these succulents from Amazon. These are the best succulents that you can find there in the market because they look absolutely real. And the wonderful thing about these ones is that they're big. They're not just a small, puny, tiny succulents that you can find, but they're actually large. And so you can make a really big arrangement with this. And what I did was dip it in hot water for a little bit, and then you can see how it takes shape and how it looks a lot more better than when it came in the package. The stems were really easy to cut. However, if you do just want to use the wiring inside, this is pretty cool because you can just dip it in hot water again, and then you can take that plastic stem off and you're left with a little wire that is super easy to just stick on foam or even some floral foam. So each order comes with 9 beautiful faux succulents, and I'll put the link down below on where I purchased these. I did order 5 of them, so make sure that you have enough for this project. And now all you want to do is start sticking them onto the foam, and they're super easy and they stick on super well. Again, if you're going to lay this flat on a table, you can leave this arrangement as is, but if you do want to stand it up, you're going to want something more stable. Put some wood in the back or even double up on the E that you made in the beginning so that it's a little bit more sturdy. There you go, that was super easy and super fast. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, as always, what you thought of this DIY. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!